So you go to your file and impute this following parameter. The resolution should be in 72. Then you create your folder, go to your layers and change the color to black. When you're done changing the color to black, you do your T for your tests and then impute your desirable sentence or word. When you're done, you do Ctrl T, you scale your text up. After scaling it, you centralize it. Then you hit on your color and you go to B and change the value to 50% to come out gray. When you're done, you group it. Ctrl G to group. Then you right click and go to Hello World. When you click on Build Effects, you impute the following data: 1028 0. Just follow what's on the screen. You can tweak it to what you want, to your desirable effects. Then when you're done, you change the angle to 70, 24. Then the below figures will be on 50, 50. Yeah, 50, 50. Then when you're done, you close it. You create a new folder. So create a new folder, then you go to gradient, click on the gradient, make sure it's on white and black. Then you pick the color from up, hold it, and then drag it to the top. When you're done, you change the blend mode to overlay, click OK. Then you go to adjustment, go to gradient map, click on the gradient map, change the white color to black. Then you change the other one to white. Then you right click on the middle, select any color you want to select. If you look at this part, it makes sense. You can use any color, any of the hue or the increase the saturation. May I be going with lighter purple. Yeah, after then click on it, make it 50, let the value be 50. Then you click OK. Go to your layers, you right click on it, it's the second one. Then you go to adjustment, go to curves. When you click on your curves, you now raise that part up. This part now depends on your discretion. You can, but to get that 3D kind of feel on the test and also the metallic effects, and select any of the figures that work for you. Just drag up, drag down, drag up, drag down, zigzag. That's how you get your own metallic effect. So here I'm satisfied now with what I'm getting. And I'm done, I close it. That's it. Then I go to the layers. I open my test. I hold alternate and I drag the test above. I remove the effect on it, hold and drag to the waste bin. Then you right click on it, go to the blend mode. You reduce the value to 0, and you go to your stroke. Your value should be in 2. Then change the color to black. Make sure it's in center. Make it center here. Then when you're done, you close it. Voila. This is how you can achieve this 3D metallic effect in your test. And you can change the color anytime. You just need to go to the gradient. You right click on it, select it, and then change any color you want. As easy as that. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in the next video.